To make a three-dimensional object in SketchUp, make sure you understand a few basic concepts of drawing in SketchUp. SketchUp is a 3D program. We are dealing with three-dimensional space. So any line that we draw, any object that we make, it has 3 dimensions. When we make a border, for example, for a text here, it's not necessarily what it looks like. It seems that I have a really nice border around this text, but if I change my view, as you can see, there is no border really. It's just 3 random lines. So the point is you can trust your eyes. To draw accurately, you have to use 3 axes that SketchUp has: green axis, red, and blue. When you are drawing a line and your line turns to red, it means that your line is parallel to red axis. Sometimes it helps if you lock your line. In order to lock your line to the red axis, just click on right arrow on your keyboard. Just remember, right, red. So if I click on right arrow, my line would be locked to the red axis. When your line turns to green, it means that it's parallel to the green axis. So if I want to lock my line to the green axis, I just press the left arrow on my keyboard. And when it turns to blue, it means that my line is parallel with the blue axis. To lock it to the blue, you can just press the up arrow. Sometimes you want to draw a line parallel to a line that it's not parallel to any of those axes. For example, this line. If I want to draw a line parallel to this line, I start my line, place my cursor on that line, and then I press the down arrow, and now I have a line locked to that specific direction. I also can draw a perpendicular line. Again, press the down arrow, and now I can draw a line perpendicular to that specific line. There is another way to lock your line. We can use Shift. So you can start your line, then show the direction that you want, for example in red direction, press Shift. You have to press it down and then finish your line. If I want the line parallel with the green axis, I show the direction, press the Shift, and end my line. Blue direction, show the direction, press Shift, end my line. The same thing, if I want to draw a line parallel to these lines, the only tricky part is you have to find, the purple. See, now I can see the purple line. Then I press Shift, and that's it. Let's review one more time. To draw a line parallel to the red axis, press the right arrow on your keyboard. To draw a line parallel to the green axis, press the left key on your keyboard. To draw a line parallel to the blue axis, press the up arrow, and to draw a line parallel to any line on your drawing, just show that specific line with your cursor, press the down arrow, and here you go. Or you can draw any line parallel with the red axis, pressing shift, but this time you have to find the red line. You have to find the right direction. When you see the line is turned to red, press the shift and draw the line. When you see the line is green, now you can press the shift, keep it down, and draw the line. When you see it's blue, press the shift, keep it down, and to have something parallel to that line, again, this is a tricky one. Oh, here you go. Press the shift and we are done.